I'm fucking watching Aliens. These red lights keep moving. I've noticed them from the street. And the best thing they can be is Chinese lanterns, but this makes no fucking sense. Portland, Oregon, June 23rd. The fuck? There's more. This sucks so much. This fucking sucks. Fuck.